Welcome. This is a 10-minute yoga class to help us get those toned, strong legs. Let's begin on our knees, circulating the wrists, so just warming up here. Opposite direction, feeling all the clicks and ticks. Come to table, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips, and go ahead and straighten that left leg, tucking the left toes, pressing into that left heel. Grounding through the top of the right foot, go ahead and begin to lift the left foot up here. Engaging the core, be really strong. Begin to tap the left toes to the right and left corner of the mat, keeping your gaze at the top of the mat. Release. Right leg straightens, tucking the toes. When you're ready, grounding through the left foot, begin to tap the right toes to the right side and the left side of the mat. Release, sending the hips down for child's pose. Taking a moment here, full inhale. With your exhale, softening the shoulders and upper back. On your next inhale, back to table. On the exhale, sending the hips up for down dog. So walk it out here, maybe bending one knee at a time. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, plant it between the hands. On the inhale for high lunge, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, sink nice and deep here. Grounding through that right foot. On an inhale, feel free to take a few hops here if you need to. We'll go ahead and lift the left foot up for airplane pose. Embrace all the wiggles here. And we'll go ahead and plant the right hand to the right corner of the mat. Inhale, opening up towards the left. Left hand reaches up for half moon pose. Exhale, step the left foot back. Parallel it with the back of the mat here, taking your time. Inhale for warrior two. Full exhale. On an inhale, straighten the right leg. Flip your palms, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, sink for warrior two. Two more times. Nice controlled pace. Back to warrior two. Take a full breath cycle here. Sink nice and deep with your exhale. On an inhale, transitioning to high lunge. Take your time. Exhale, plant your hands, sending the hips back for down dog. Inhale, left leg lifts. Exhale, step it between the hands. Inhale for high lunge. Full exhale. On the inhale for airplane pose, right leg lifts. Really grounding through that left foot. Plant the left hand to the mat. Inhale, right hand reaches up for half moon pose. Exhale, step the right foot back for warrior two. Sink low here with your exhales. Inhale, straightening the left leg, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, sink for warrior two. Have control here. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sink nice and low. Inhale, reach. Exhale, sink for warrior two. Inhale, reach. Exhale, warrior two. Full breath cycle. Inhale, transitioning to high lunge, hands reaching up overhead. Exhale, plant the hands, step back for down dog. Drop the knees, send the hips down for child's pose, resting the arms here, observing the body. Full inhale, drawing the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the shoulders, upper back. Allowing the hips to be heavy here. No tension in the fingers or the toes. When you're ready, rising all the way up, rounding through the spine. Inhale, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.